Liven up your lawn. Innovative front yard designs to try today. Transforming your front yard into an inviting and aesthetically pleasing space can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. With the right front yard designs, you can create a stunning landscape that reflects your personal style while offering a serene outdoor experience. Here are some inspiring landscaping ideas to elevate your lawn and create a welcoming atmosphere. Embrace modern landscaping techniques. Modern landscaping emphasizes clean lines, minimalism, and functionality, making it perfect for contemporary homes. Consider integrating pathways with sleek materials such as stone or pavers to guide guests to your front door. Additionally, opting for a mix of native plants and ornamental grasses can create an attractive visual contrast while ensuring easier lawn care. These landscaping ideas not only beautify your outdoor space, but also promote sustainable gardening practices. Creative lawns, unique features for your front yard. When it comes to creative lawns, think outside the box. Adding quirky elements such as a sculptural garden feature, a decorative birdhouse, or a sleek water fountain can make a statement that sets your home apart. Furthermore, consider incorporating raised flower beds or vertical gardens to add depth to your front yard. These features not only enhance garden inspiration but also contribute to outdoor living spaces that are both functional and beautiful. Outdoor decor, accessorizing your space. Don't forget that outdoor decor plays a vital role in transforming your front yard into a captivating haven. Elegant outdoor furniture, statement lighting, and decorative pots can bring your landscaping ideas to life. Use vibrant colors and interesting textures to create visual interest. Strategically placed decor can also enhance your outdoor living area, setting a warm and welcoming tone for family gatherings or quiet evenings under the stars. Curb appeal that doesn't compromise on comfort. Your front yard is often the first impression visitors have of your home, making it crucial to enhance your curb appeal without sacrificing comfort. Opt for durable and low-maintenance plants that thrive in your climate for easy care. Pair these with inviting seating areas, such as a cozy bench or swing. These features make your front yard not only attractive, but also a spot where you can enjoy your morning coffee or watch the world go by. Explore backyard tips to complement your front yard. To achieve a harmonious look between your front yard and backyard, consider implementing similar themes or color palettes. This connection enhances the overall aesthetic appeal and promotes a cohesive home improvement strategy. Additionally, incorporating elements such as a continuous pathway or garden cohesiveness between the spaces can guide guests through your property. By merging your front yard designs with thoughtful backyard tips, you create a complete outdoor experience that feels intentional and well planned. Elevate your outdoor space with creative front yard designs that embody your style and enhance functionality. With careful consideration of landscaping ideas, lawn care, and outdoor decor, you can create an inviting environment that significantly improves your home's curb appeal. Whether you choose modern landscaping techniques or whimsical garden inspiration, the possibilities are endless. It's time to transform your front yard into a vibrant extension of your home for you and your guests to enjoy. A stunning front yard is essential for enhancing your home's curb appeal, creating a welcoming atmosphere, and showcasing your personality. With innovative front yard designs, you can transform an ordinary lawn into an extraordinary beacon of beauty. are seeking out gardening ideas to brighten your space or looking for modern landscaping trends, there's no limit to the creative lawns you can create. Here are some front yard designs and lawn care tips to inspire your outdoor decor and landscaping projects. Create inviting garden spaces. Creating a garden within your front yard can serve as a delightful oasis for you and your guests. Consider raised vegetable beds or flower gardens to add charm and functionality. You can use colorful annuals and perennials to attract pollinators and create an inviting atmosphere. Ensure that you choose plants that suit your local climate for optimal growth. This gardening idea not only enhances your front yard, but also contributes to eco-friendly practices. Incorporate outdoor decor. Outdoor decor elements can significantly improve your front yard designs. From decorative planters to eye-catching sculptures, integrating unique features can reflect your personal style. String lights or lanterns can create an enchanting evening ambience, making your outdoor living space usable all day and night. Investing in quality and aesthetically pleasing outdoor furniture will also provide comfort and allure to your front lawn. Enhance paths and walkways. A well-designed pathway can serve as the backbone of your front yard layout. Use various materials such as pavers, gravel, or wood chips to create visually stunning and functional paths. Consider incorporating borders using bricks or stones to define areas and provide structure. Landscaping ideas that include strategically placed lighting along your paths can increase safety and elevate the nighttime aesthetic of your home. Focus on sustainability. Today's front yard designs are increasingly leaning toward sustainability. Native plants are not only low maintenance but also promote biodiversity, ensuring your garden thrives with minimal water usage. Creating a rain garden or installing permeable paving can enhance your lawn care regime while effectively managing water runoff. Sustainability in your gardening practices fosters a healthier ecosystem and contributes positively to your home improvement goals. Redefining your front yard with contemporary designs, thoughtful landscaping, and effective lawn care enhancements can vastly improve your home's aesthetic appeal. Whether you're drawing inspiration from modern landscaping trends or practical gardening ideas, the potential for creativity is endless. Make your space a reflection of your style through these comprehensive outdoor living enhancements that blend functionality and beauty, ensuring your front yard remains a standout feature of your home.